welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Gina and I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button and join my YouTube family. So on today's video, I will be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. Well, actually, I will be doing 3 Dollar Tree DIYs that you can incorporate anywhere in your house. You can do really neat stuff from things from the Dollar Tree, very affordable. As you all may know, Dollar Tree, everything is $1. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so almost everything that I am using on this DIY does need some spray painting. So I am spray painting the plates, and right now you will see me spray painting the cup vases. I did buy my spray paint from Home Depot and paid about $4 for it, and I did give everything about 2 to 3 coats. Okay, you guys, so I finished painting them, and sorry if you hear rain in the background. It's we're getting hit with a thunderstorm today, but I already painted them all, and now of course we're just gonna have to wait for them to dry. So now that everything is nice and dry, all I am going to do is get just a small piece of sandpaper, and basically what you want to do here is distress your little vase. I wanted to do this because I wanted to give it that little rustic look, so that is all that I am doing here. You guys, please remember that everything in this video is from the Dollar Tree. So as far as these little vases and all the plates that you see me paint were from the Dollar Tree as well, except the spray paint, which I mentioned, that one is from Home Depot. Okay, so after I have distressed all of the little vases, I am going to use these cute little flower arrangements that I did get from the Dollar Tree as well. You could use any flower arrangement that you would like, any greenery that you would like, but since Christmas is coming up and it is upon us, or near us I should say, I just thought that it would be pretty fun to show you guys what these look like with those pops of color. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. I am so super happy with the way that these turned out. They do honestly make some cute little vases. Here you can see that I styled them up against my kitchen shelves. Of course, they won't be staying up just yet because I really do love this flower arrangement that I got. So they will be staying like this, but I will be bringing them out for my Christmas decor. So what do you guys think? Let me know down below if you do like these vases. Also on here, you will see that I am showing you guys another example of how you can style them. And here they are in my restroom. once the holidays are over, I am definitely going to purchase some greenery. That way I can keep them out all year round. Okay, so now on to DIY number 2. You will need your plate and this string. I also purchased this from the Dollar Tree. So as you can see here, I just cut off a piece and then I did some knots towards the end. You can kind of get an idea of what I'm trying to do here. All I'm going to do is get my hot glue gun and put some glue towards the end of the string. And now just glue it to the ends of the tray. This tray, I wanted to use it for my bathroom. I had in mind using it there. I've been wanting one, but as you all may know, some of the tray or most of the trays can be pretty expensive. And I mean, you can never go wrong with just paying $1 for this one, can you? Okay, so after you glue on your handles, this is what it looks like. You guys, I messed up on the other side, but it's okay. This is the way that I styled it in my restroom. I just added a candle, some greenery, and this amber glass that I got from Target with some Q-tips. And I am really happy with the way that it came out. I might just take off that other handle and re-glue it. If not, just make another one. The strings is just something that I wanted to add, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. So now on to DIY number 3. You are going to need your 2 round plates, your hot glue gun, and your candlestick. This is basically what you will need to make a tier tray. So at this point, all you want to do is add hot glue all over the top rim. And then once you have added that, you're going to stick it onto the middle of your plate. And then you're going to add more hot glue onto the other end of the rim. I want to stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. This is a very unique little tier tray to make for your coffee station or for any little party that you have, to where you can add cakes, bread, candies, nacho chips, or cupcakes in my case. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. Swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I am just adding my fresh baked cupcakes to my new tier tray. This was a good sized tier tray. It fit about 24 cupcakes in total. Okay everyone, so that does conclude this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. For all of you who are already subscribed to my channel and continue to support me, I want to thank you guys. It really means a lot to me. For all of you who are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing before exiting this video. And again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.